That's the bee box. She has a few, but there's no other bees in these other boxes that she made. Okay, sit right here so the bees don't get you. What's that?
Bee water.
Farm, but look at all these goats. Another frog.
He almost jumped on you. Good luck with my bees. Well, we're gonna get all the way down to the bottom. Let's find out what's going on. Either we got them or we don't got them. Where my hat? Just in case. So hold on to it. Oh, we got beetles. A lot of them. Look.
There's one right there.
One. There was a whole bunch of them. Beetles taking over my hive again. Oh, back up. I just got stung. That's the brooding chamber.
What is that?
Where the queen lay eggs. Looks like they're about to put honey in here. I don't have much honey. I might have to feed them some more. The beetles in here. She wouldn't be on here. Ah, she could be over here. See all the babies? That's where they lay their eggs. She only got eggs right in here. I wonder why. Oh, on this side, there's a lot of eggs. The queen probably is in there, but I can't get that one out because they stuck together. That's probably why I got bit. The queen is probably, see if she on this one. See if I can find her. Stop. She wouldn't walk over here. She royalty. She wouldn't come on this side. She'll be either on that.
She probably on one of those too.
She probably on one of those. That's why I got bit. But she probably moved by now anyway.
Part.
I'm pulling that apart. They'll put it back together. It's only stuck together by a little bit. Aha! That's where all the eggs have been laid. See if I can find the queen. I don't think she's on this one. They'll be acting up worse than this. Good.
Please don't sting me, Mr. B.
And this time of the year, they already kick all the men out of there. The men don't do nothing but eat. They don't clean up. They don't bring no food in. They just stand and eat and wait to have sex with the queen.
Typical.
So they already kick them out because it's coming up on winter time, and they're not gonna feed them. So what they do, they get them and pull them out, and they go off someplace and die. Since they don't have no job, they have no job. Everybody in this hive got a job. It's a thick one. It's a double-sided one. Look, they done made two on here. See how thick it is? They go in between it, right in between here.
So she might be in the middle.
She might be in there. I don't know what they're hiding her from me for. I don't want her. She probably inside this one. Together. I don't know, Keisha. I see all those cap things.
Well, at least they're making more babies.
See that? So that we should have a queen in here, but I don't see no eggs. But where the beetles at is in the honey box. They're trying to eat up all the honey. Well, what they do is they lay their eggs in the where the honey go, and then the babies hatch, and they'll go through and eat up all their food and just mess up the hive. And when they get so bad, the bees like a neat. They keep everything. Everybody do a job. So when they mess it up and it gets so bad, they'll just leave. That's what happened before, but they came back after a while.
Pollen patties.
Bees. Because it's been raining a lot, and when it rains a lot, come on, get out the way. Come on now. Move out the way so I can put it down.
Everybody trying to eat it. Look at them.
Yeah, they're trying to eat it already, but they better get from underneath it. They'll go down through the hole. Look, brought your food. So pretty soon this is gonna be, everybody's gonna come up and get it, and they're gonna put it throughout the where they keep their food. And the more food they have, the more the queen will lay eggs. So they should be not ate this up. I'm gonna give them maybe about a weekend. Might have to put another one in there. Still kind of high, but once they eat that down, it ain't gonna be nothing. Well, there's honey on this. Let's see what the beetles do. This is what they're trying to do. That one right there. They try to get in here and hide out, lay eggs, little tiny eggs. So when the bees put their honey or whatever, they'll hatch, and then the eggs will eat up the honey. Oops, sorry. I just held on to it. There's honey on this one.
There's a little baby beetle right there.
I'm gonna get my bees.
There's another one.
See what they do? They go in there and lay the eggs. And that'll ruin your beehive before you know it.
There's another one right there.
Once they hatch, what they do is they'll eat up all this and get fat and big and just crawl through it.
Get fly.
So they do have a little bit of honey, so that's good.
You check this one.
There's nothing on that one. There's a little bit of honey. See, you see this web? That mean a baby. There's a baby. There's a baby right there. Let's get him out. See if I can get him out.
Wait, show the camera.
That's what it looked like when they hatch. And then you get a whole bunch of these, because a beetle can lay dozens of eggs. And you get a whole bunch of these that go through your hive and clean it out. Got a little bit of oil or something in it.
The honey smell good.
Eat some.
I'm not gonna take their honey.
You want some? Get a piece. Like with maybe about 3 or 4 of these.
He's got a baby on his back.
He still got his baby on his back. Go somewhere. Y'all, this honey, they're gonna eat that up. Really dripping now. Yeah, I am. Just a little piece. That's all I'm getting.
In your hat.
And they're gonna get it from whatever it's on. They're gonna get it off. Bee wax come from bees. I work with a lady that didn't know that.
Where she thought it came from?
I said, why you think they call it bee wax? She say, I thought that was the brand name. That's propolis. It get real hard. It's not hard right now, but they seal up stuff with it. Like any little crack that it can go in, they'll seal it with that. They stick stuff together with it.